Like, yeah, this is really giving Can't Fool Me, Wanda and Cosmo. I must think we don't know. We know. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. Sorry my voice is a little bit weird. I just woke up. I'm having some coffee, but I'm getting my hair done early this morning. Well, I'm doing my hair early this morning. And I'm trying some hair that I think is new, but it's giving nostalgia. Let me show you. So this is the X-pression bounce twist hair. And she looks familiar. It's 3 in the pack, but this hair reminds me of Jamaican bounce. Like, it's African collection, sensational, and it looks like Jamaican bounce hair, and I've used that before. Now, wouldn't it be interesting if they took some old hair that we really weren't into anymore and just repackaged it and called it something else? So not only is it not in the side-by-side double pack anymore, but they put it in triple pack to make you think you're getting more. Okay, so here's the hair out of the pack. Oh, can you tell me this is not Jamaican bounce hair? They are calling it bounce twist. This is Jamaican bounce hair. But yeah, this is really giving Can't Fool Me, Wanda and Cosmo. But on the off chance that this is not exactly the same hair, I'm going to install it and we're going to take a look at it. So let's get started. So I have a new development. There are 18 pieces on this band and there are 2 more bands. So 18 times 3, 54. So 54 pieces in all. And each piece has a band on it. There's a band. And I'm sorry for my nails. I got to get them done. But each piece has a band at the top. So that's going to keep the hair secure. Hair like this really doesn't need a band. It's a kinky texture. It's a tighter curl pattern. So once you loop it on, it's not going to come undone. It's actually going to tangle. But I guess it's nice to have this band. I'm going to try a few with the band, and then I'm probably going to take the band off. This is not the normal weaving cap that I wear. I went to a different beauty supply store because there's a black-owned one right down the street from my house. But we're going to see if it works. It feels a little more like cloth. Like the other one is not as thick as this, but I think this will work fine. It still has the band. It's a tad bit thinner of the band, so I think that might work in my favor. It doesn't have as much stretch, so you gotta get it over my head. And then we're gonna push it back, just like that. So with hair like this, you'll have to hold the top, grab the band, and pull it down a little bit. Very easy to pull down. And now I can open up the loop and get my finger in there. And now I'm ready to crochet. I'm going to separate this hair. It's a very pretty curl pattern. It gets loose very quickly. So I'm going to try a few pieces like this, and then I might end up not separating it until I'm done installing all of it. Yeah, I like it. So now I'm going to install it all over my head. I still feel like this band is absolutely unnecessary, but I'm going to keep it on at least for the first third of this pack. So this is the hair with one section of that pack. I still have 2/3 of the whole pack left. I did spread the hair out, and I'm going to continue to do that. But right off the bat, when I move, it moves. So this is not hair that's going to lay when the wind blows. So however you install this hair, make sure you do it pretty full, because when the wind blows around, whatever's underneath this hair is gonna show. I'm thinking that maybe I should have done a half up, half down. This is a very fun type of hair for a half up, half down style, but I'm already committed to doing all of my hair in, no hair left out. So I will just continue to do that. Once I install the entire pack, I'll come back. Honey, I don't know who African Collection thinks that they're fooling, but they're not fooling me, okay? This is Jamaican bounce. This bounce twist is Jamaican bounce. There's no way that anybody can tell me otherwise. Baby, come on, marketing, because I sure did see that package and say, oh, I think it's new hair, knowing good and well this is Jamaican bounce. So if you happen to see Jamaican bounce in the store and you see bounce twists, put them side to side, honey. Put them side to side and see if they look exactly the same to you. I like it. It's a cute little curl pattern. It's fun. It is very bouncy. I'm going to try to wear it for 2 weeks, but I feel like I'm going to have to do a lot of trimming because when you pull it out or you separate it too much, it does get very fluffy. Every morning I'm going to get up and I'm just going to separate it with my hands. I don't see myself putting curl mousse on it because why would I do that? I used 1 full pack of this hair and I actually had to beg, borrow, and steal from the back once I got to the front because I almost didn't make it. I like that this hair does fluff up, so it does cover up empty spaces really well. But like I said before, when the wind blows, it's going to be interesting. It's been pretty windy here in Texas, so hopefully I can get through this week without my plaits showing. But if they do, they do. I'm cute right now though, right? Let me know if you've tried this hair or if you've even seen this hair. The price was $29.99 for the pack. The Jamaican bounce usually is $10 a pack, so I usually get 2 packs. I think that I actually get more when I buy the 2 packs of the double versus this 1 pack of the triple. Maybe. At any rate, I like it and I'm going to wear it for a while. Hopefully 2 weeks, but 1 week minimum. Thanks for joining me on this episode of Conversations with Candace. And until next time, y'all have a good day.